Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question under calculus 2. We are to show from the first principles that the derivative of any constant give us 0. This is WASI 1996, question number 4. So in this case, let's have an introduction using some alphabet, okay? Mathematical operations. So let's say we are having the f of x to be equals to k, where our k is just a constant. So any constant, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100,000, k is representing that. Now, if that is the case, we can say that our f of x could be equals to kx exponent 0, because there is no x term attached to the constant. But we know that any number raised to the power 0 give us 1. So our k term is having what? X component. But that x component is having a power of what? 0. Now, if you recall, your f prime of x will be the limit as h is approaching 0 of x plus h minus f of x divided by this. So we know what this is. That is what we have represented. So we need to also find an expression for this. So we are going to say that the f x plus h, increasing this value by h, meaning everywhere I see x, I replace it by x plus what? H. That means k into bracket x plus h, or exponent 0. But you can agree with me that the whole of this exponent 0 will still mean 1, meaning you have the whole thing equals to k. Alright, so we can say that from the first principle, I want to put this formula back again, since I just bring it as a recall. This will be equals to the limit as h is approaching 0 of f x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So in the case of this, we can do substitution, right? Okay. What do? We maintain our f prime equals to the limit as h is approaching 0. Our f x plus h, we have it as this, the same as k. So I am only going to introduce that as what? K. Then minus my f of x, which is also the same as k. I think I mentioned in the beginning k or this. So that will also give us k, right? Then divided by h. So in this case, we are going to have the limit as h is approaching 0, 0 divided by h, right? And if you divide 0 by any number, you end up getting 0. So we are going to have limit as h approach 0 of 0. And that will definitely give us what? 0. So we can see that the derivative of any constant will always give you 0. So therefore, so that is what we can do from the first principle. I'm sure you walked through the journey with me, how we are able to arrive at this. Very interesting. If you have no question, share this video, like and comment. If you have a question, leave that in the comment section for us to interact. Bye-bye.